The project prepared by us is VR. VR stands for virtual reality. It is an integration in which technology is integrated with agriculture and various other fields of the world to show them virtually. These are done for astrological predictions and even to understand the various parts of microbes. These are used in every field to understand their micromillimeters in matters of their studies. This is integrated with millions of people who try to understand more about a particular thing. Great billionaires like Mark Zuckerberg, Elon Musk, Sundar Pichai, and even Microsoft have invested billions and millions of dollars in this. This is said to be the next future. This is said to be the future because various companies like Facebook have converted their name for it, also known as Metaverse, one of the greatest projects did in the mankind. The further explanation will be given by Vivek.
Yeah, so universe is a vast space where we reside, and there are countless of species, countless of threats present in the universe. And with the present technology, we cannot travel across the universe and cover the vastness of space. So using this VR, we are able to see the parts of the universe where human beings cannot reach. For example, Mariana Trench present in the Pacific Ocean is 10,000 feet deep below the ocean, and human beings cannot go deep into the ocean and survive and see the beauty of the ocean. So using this VR, we will set the camera down at the depths of the ocean, where it will capture the footage of the ocean and will send back to the VR, where the scientists will wear this VR and observe the Mariana Trench. So this is very helpful where human beings cannot go deep into the ocean or somewhere in space. For example, Venus. Venus is a planet which is second planet in our solar system. So Venus has a temperature of 350 degrees centigrade, which is possible for metal called lead. It will melt in the landscape of the Venus because its melting point is 350 degrees centigrade. So if a metal is able to melt in the conditions of the Venus, what about human beings? So human beings cannot withstand the temperatures of Venus. So we will send one probe, any space probe, which will revolve around the planet of the Venus, and that will capture the footage in the climatic conditions of the Venus. And then the headset will be worn by the scientists, and they will be able to look at the landscape and the climatic conditions of the Venus. It will also try to run the simulations of any alien microbiological life which is present on the particular planet. This VR headset is also used by NASA and aeronautical engineering scientists, so that they can use this VR headset and they will place it on their forehead like this, and they will run EVA, which is electronic vehicular aeronautical engineering, and using this they will prepare for the moonwalks. And as we know, in 2024 and 2025, NASA is going to launch one of its famous missions. One mission is to send the first woman to moon, and 2025 is to send the first person and the first woman to Mars. So we know that our future belongs to Mars. Elon Musk is trying to conquer Mars. So using this VR headset, we can try to simulate the conditions for the possible walking moonwalk or Mars walk on the different climatic conditions of Mars. So this is very useful. Now coming to neurology. So neurology is the study of neurons or brains. So usually scientists will test rodents like rats, mouse, etc. They will try to run the simulations of their brain activity and relate it to the human being's brain function and its perseverance. So it is not possible to test human beings in the laboratories. So using this VR headset, they will try to run the simulations of the working model of our brain and how our brain perceives this whole world. So it is very important, and VR will also help to scientists to know about our heart, functions of our heart and liver. So it is very useful for biological parts of our human, also to help scientists or astronauts or astronomers to learn the various parts of space. Now my friend Yashashvi will explain about how this VR headset was prepared.
So basically for this solar system model, which is the output of a solar system model, is done by the coding which I did. So coming to the coding, here I uploaded the background image, and after that I also added the camera position. In this virtual reality, one thing very important thing to learn is that we are having three values here: x value, y value and z value. So it will be seen in this way: x value is this one, y value is the top one, and this front facing is called the z view. So with this z view only we are able to see this rotating. It should rotate 360 degrees completely. And also I uploaded the texture for these planets, which you can see here, which we can see here. And coming to Saturn, as we know, the Saturn has 3 rings. So one is of red color, pink color, and orange color. So there's a big property in physics called as torus, which is a 3D sphere, which helps us to do this. So here what I did is I decreased the value so that it becomes like a thin ring, which can be seen in the output. And at last, coming to the main part is that it's torus color. So which orbit we can see, this planet